Hi guys, hope you are doing good and staying safe at home. Since we are not doing a lot of cooking at home, it becomes important how we prep and chop our vegetables at home. Today I'll be demonstrating different kinds of chopping using my 3-piece Victorinox knife set. So let's get started. So we'll be using different kinds of knives. Here we have one tomato knife. This is a paring knife which comes in different sizes and it is a multi-purpose. We can use it for scoring, peeling, chopping and different purposes. And this is a speed peeler. Let's get started with the dice. I'll show you how we dice our onion. It is important how we hold our knife to give good grip. Hold a knife like this so that it doesn't cut and you can do it using your knuckle. So this is sliced onion. Now I'll be seeing how to do finely chopped onion. It's good not to remove the top. Since we all love eating potato wedges, I'll be showing you how to cut it. Cut it into 2 halves and simply dice your potatoes. The sharpness makes it very easy to do it. So here we have our potato wedges. Now I'll be showing you how to do julienne. Here I have peeled carrot. Cut it into 2 halves. Here we have our carrot juliennes. Now let's see how to deseed capsicum. Let's cut the 2 ends and deseed capsicum. See how easy it is using this knife. Remove these extra whites. Now let's see how we dice. Cut into 2. So here we have diced capsicum. Now we'll be using Victorinox speed peeler. This helps us in not just peeling but also cutting ribbons which we use in our salads. Now I'll be showing you how we'll do the ribbons of cucumber. Cut the 2 ends. You can peel using the peeler or just directly cut the ribbons. See how easy it is. These ribbons not just look good but makes our salad so appealing as well. This speed peeler from Victorinox makes it very easy to do this. Now we will see how to cut the tomato using a tomato knife. This is a serrated knife. It makes it easy to cut a tomato. Using this tomato knife, it becomes very easy to even finely chop or slice tomatoes. So I have done these different kinds of chopping with different vegetables using just 3 knife sets from Victorinox. So if you have these 3-piece knife set, you can do a different types of choppings very easily and comfortably at home.